Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new KKW Classic Blossom collection. I thought it was called Cherry Blossom, but that's a palette. It's called Classic Blossom and it was influenced by Cherry Blossom, so everything kind of has like a pink and purple theme to it. So KKW Beauty came out with the Cherry Blossom eyeshadow palette. Where are you? And you can see it has just like a lot of rose golds, purples. The theme is definitely pink and purple. We've seen this palette before. It comes with a mirror. The names aren't on the front yet, but the finish, this is like a really shiny finish, so it doesn't get all messy like the original palette does. The names are on the back. Kim is coming out with 3 new blushes. And just my first impression of the blushes are like 2 of them I'm like, nah, like I can't wear those. Those aren't gonna show up on me. You can see right here, it's kind of like a peach. Oh, it matches my backdrop. Peachy color, and then this one's like, well, I guess this is like a pinky, light pink. This one's like a light peach. They both match my backdrop. Look at that. They're just a little too light for my skin tone. But she did come out with Karma, which is kind of like a plum. So I will try that on in this tutorial. I feel like this will be like this, like 2 shades darker would have been like bomb for me, you know? Maybe next time. So not only did KKW Beauty release the eyeshadow palette, the 3 blushes, but they're also coming out with 3 pink lip liners and 8 pink lipsticks. In this video, I will try on all the lipsticks. Yes. You'll see what everything looks like. I've listened to your guys' feedback, and whenever I try on like all the lips from a collection or a launch, you guys love that, so we're definitely gonna do that today. Okay, so there's one thing I noticed about the palette in the collection that I wish was different, and that's the color of the palette. Like the classic palette is the same shade, and I feel like for me, I don't know if you guys are like this, but like all of my palettes, I open the drawer and I can see just based off the color which one's which, and with these it's kind of like you don't know. It would have been cool to see like a light pink or like maybe even like my backdrop, you know, like a rose color palette. That way you can kind of differentiate between the 3. But that's really like my only complaint based off of like my first impression looking at the collection. So I think without further ado, let's stop talking about it. Let's try on all the colors. All right, y'all, I got my foundation, highlight, brows, primer on. This is really all about just testing the new product. So we're gonna start with the classic, wait, what's it called? I keep wanting to say, oh, it is Cherry Blossom. I'm so confused. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette is called Cherry Blossom, but the collection is called Classic Blossom. Okay, that's where I got confused. So what we gonna do? All right, I'm gonna start with this brown right here in the crease, and we're just gonna build from light to dark, kind of like what I typically do. Should I do this gray purple? So like this color scares me because it's like a gray purple, and I typically don't like doing that. I kind of want to try it, but then part of me is like, nah, we good right here. So I'm just going back and forth with this, what's it called? It's called Baby. You know, I just wish the names were on the front. It makes everything so much easier, but it's cool. Some of y'all don't really care, so I guess neither should I. All right, next I'm gonna apply this shade right here. I don't know how to read the back of these, it's confusing. Hanami, I think it's called Hanami, this one, right here. And we're just gonna apply this in the crease. Back, forth and forth. No, that's like what we're gonna do. We're like literally going back and forth. So I have like a million flowers for my birthday in my house, and I'm pretty sure it's like making my allergies act up because I'm like, why am I congested? And I don't even say, oh, you're always sounding congested. Don't say it. I know you guys want to say it. Don't say it. No, I'm like, you know when you feel like your allergies are acting up? I think it's probably from all the flowers, honestly. Ooh. So I have to tell you guys, the classic palette, not this one, but the one before this, is like, it's up there when it comes to palettes like I use weekly or daily. It's definitely one of those palettes that like I'm really enjoying, you know? This is cute. Matching my shirt. Ooh, my allergies are acting up. Purple is looking kind of cute on me, I'm not even gonna lie. Not too shabby. So that was just this one, and then the one on the end. And I'm gonna add this purple right here. we're just gonna build. We're just gonna keep layering and building. And I'm not gonna cut the crease because I feel like lately I've just been doing like a lot, you know? Not a lot, but just like dramatic looks. So we're just gonna do like a look without cutting the crease because I know a lot of you guys aren't about that cut crease life. So if I wanted this to show up like a little bit more intense and precise, I would just move to like a smaller brush. But I like this fluffy brush because it really makes the crease just look like blended. And when you layer colors on top with this, what is this, the Sigma E40 brush? Just like blends. Oh, this is real cute. I'm really happy with this pigment. This is looking real cute. All right, I'm gonna do 2 colors on the lid. So we're gonna go lighter. What should I do? This one, this one, this one, this one. Let's do this one on the inside of the lid and this on the outside of the lid. That way you guys can see like how both shades perform. This is Samurai, and I'm just like applying it on the inside half of the lid. All right, now we're gonna go in with Cherry. Hopefully I'm saying the right names. I'm like, so this is Cherry, and we're just putting this on the outside. Oh, this is cute. I really like how Cherry looks against this purple. It's really pretty. Am I giving you guys like 80s vibes or no? Or no? All right, so under my lash line, I'm gonna smudge the darkest purple from the palette, and I'm just using like a pencil brush. I'm gonna smoke it out. So this hair is like pretty much gelled up, oiled up, moussed up. I know a lot of people are like, is it wet? I've been getting a lot of questions about this hair, and there's just like a lot of product in it to give it that wet look. So while it was wet, I put like oil, gel, and then that Way soft mousse, and that's pretty much it. And it's like stayed, like it's kind of been like this for like 3 days, and I just keep adding more product and water to it. Oh, I like this. If you guys like purples and you like those cranberry colors, you're gonna like this palette. I mean, look at it. So if you don't have, you know, these kind of colors in your arsenal, or you need to like, I guess, stock up, then this is a really, it's just like a really like simple, like all of her palettes are, I feel like pretty simple, but their colors, they're like everyday colors, you know? Like even though this has the plums, like if I didn't use this and just stuck with like these, you can still wear that every day. I'm telling you guys, the classic palette, like I wear that palette a lot. I do wish that like she had a palette with like warmer crease colors. I don't think she wears those, but you know, us girls with the pigment, with the melanin, we like those warm colors in the crease, you know? All right, I'm gonna line my eyes with the shady liner. I like this purple that's in the crease. This is really cute. This is my Big Shot mascara, and then I'm gonna throw on some lashes. So should I try and attempt to put like these light colored blushes on or not? I'm surprised that she doesn't have like a really like kind of like almost like my backdrop, like a bright pink blush. Like they're kind of like 2 neutrals and like muted blushes, and then the almost like a plum. Like I would have loved to see like a brighter pink, because like on deeper skin tones, those bright colors show up kind of like soft, you know? Maybe because my favorite color is purple, I'm like looking at them like, ooh, I like these eyes. You know what's really like doing something for me? And I've already said this, but like these 2 colors here, I love purples with red, with a ton of red. Like all purple has red, but I like purples that have more red versus more blue. That's why I like my Shade liquid lipstick. It has more of that red undertone. It's just like more flattering on my skin tone, and I'm just like living for these 2 crease colors right now. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right, I'm gonna throw on these Lily lashes in Rome. These are kind of like a softer lash, and the ends are winged out. I've been enjoying these. All right, so let's talk about these blushes. Just looking at them, I'm not like super excited. You know, like these 2 just look like they're probably not gonna show up. I'm gonna try Destiny on one side just because it is a little bit darker. This one is just like, I would never wear this, like just looking at it, you know? And then Karma we'll try on the other side, just because I wanna like at least give this one a chance. Let's see here. Okay, so this is Destiny. You can see it a little bit. It's like not enough, but you can see it a little bit. At least you can see it a little bit, child. All right, so let's try Karma on the other side. Wiping off the brush. Oh yeah, that's better. just gonna even it out here so I don't have two different color cheeks up in here. Oh yeah, she's cute. She's cute. All right, should I put on all the lipsticks or should I just be lazy and do one? Okay, I'm gonna try them all on for y'all. Okay, so pink 1 lip liner is like, oh wait, shit. That's number 3. Pink 1. Okay, pink 1 is just like too light, so we're not even gonna do that. I mean, you could fill in your lips with it, but like in real life, like I probably wouldn't do that. I would do it for the video, but like, you know, I wouldn't want you guys to get the lip liner just for that. All right, just to try the lip liner out, I'm gonna try pink 2 with, I think 1 and 2, pink 1 and 2 lipstick. It's a little light. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try on all the lipsticks, but I'm gonna use a brown liner because you guys know that's what I like to do. I have the KKW Nude 2. Is this Nude 2? Oh, Nude 3, and I have my Colourpop BFF. So you guys know whenever I wear pink lipstick, I really love doing a brown lip liner because it kind of neutralizes it and makes it more wearable. That's why I always recommend like a brown liner or a nude liner with pink lips. So we're just gonna try on all the lipsticks with my liner of choice, which is a brown liner. Look at what a difference the liner makes. So this is the same one, pink 1, with BFF 3 lip liner from Colourpop. You got this shit knocking. Start by saying I'm pleasantly surprised with pink 5. That was like the one color that I was like, ooh, no, it looks so gray. Like when you swatch it and just in person, it kind of looks like a gray, like a dusty plum, but it went on just like a really soft pink. I like it. So this color is probably like, I don't want to say it's too bright for me, but typically when I wear colors that are like this bold, I like it to be a liquid lipstick. My favorite lipsticks are 1, 2, 3, and 5. Those just really light pinks. And I hope you guys saw how I applied it. When you have like bright colors or those light colors, you don't have to like smother your lips with it. You can fill in your lip liner with like the brown, the neutral brown, and then kind of just put it on the bottom lip and blot it together. That way it looks blended and it's not like super bright. I think sometimes we think that we have to put lipstick all over our lips, like, no, you don't have to do that, especially with like the lighter and like kind of like pastel-y colors. So when Kim first came out with KKW, you know, she started with Skin, and honestly, like the Skin, the powder, they're just like not for me. Like I don't like the contour pens, the bake, all of that like really kind of made me think like, oh, I'm not sure about, you know, this line, but with these eyeshadow palettes and the lipsticks, like, she's got some heat, okay? Like the nude, I'm going to tell you a few products that I like, okay, that I wear all the time. The Nude 2 lip liner, the Nude 2 lipstick, and I feel like I'm going to be wearing the Pink 2 lipstick and the classic palette. And honestly, like, I really like this palette. I feel like the strengths in KKW Beauty are in, like, the lips. Like, her lipsticks are, like, one of my favorites. Like, I love the consistency of it. The lips and the eyeshadow palettes, even though the names aren't on the front, which one day I hope they can be here, it just makes it easier. And it looks like a little bit, like, more professional. But yeah, I really like the classic palette. I really like this palette. If you like pinks like me, then I would say definitely look into the lipsticks. If you never wear pink lipstick, then these may be a little too bold for you. I don't know, you guys have to kind of like figure that out yourself. I'm here for a light pink. Thank you guys so much for watching my review. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more reviews, and if you guys like really love watching reviews from me, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay. Subscribe or you're a hater. Ooh, I have to sneeze. Okay, this is a trick. Conceal the lips. Am I reading these right? Oh, this looks cute. Concealer on the lips is cute, okay? Oh, it's the flowers. Yes, I am Hanami. Am I ashy? Ooh, I'm ashy. Ooh. Yeah, she cute or whatever. Wait, let me wipe my lips before. I'm not playing myself. Alright, what are we doing now? Yes.